Hi friends, welcome to this Java full course series, and this is SanCodeVerses, and in this playlist we will learn Java step by step from basics to advanced with real world examples. Today let's start with the very first question: what is Java? And more importantly, why should you learn Java in 2025 when there are so many new languages like Python, Go or Rust? By the end of this video, you will not only understand Java, but also know why it is still one of the best career choices. So let's get started. Java is a high-level, object-oriented, platform-independent programming language. It was created by James Casey in 1994 at Sun Microsystems, and today it is owned by Oracle Corporation. The tagline of Java is "Write once, run anywhere." This means if you write a program in Java on Windows, you can run the same program on Linux or Mac without changing the code. This is possible because of something called the JVM, Java Virtual Machine. So what is JVM? JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. It is the engine that runs your Java program. Here how it works. You write code in Java saved as .java file. Java compiler converts it into bytecode that class file. The JVM takes this bytecode and runs it on any operating system. For example, just think of JVM like a translator. Imagine you know only English, but you go to Japan. If you have a translator, you can still communicate with everyone without learning Japanese. Similarly, Java bytecode is like English, and JVM is the translator that makes it understandable for Windows, Linux, or Mac. That's why Java is platform independent, because JVM does the hard work. Now let's quickly see some features of Java. It's simple and easy, easier than C and C++. Object-oriented. Everything works with classes and objects. It's platform-dependent. Thanks to JVM, write your code once and run it on any device, anywhere. Secure and robust. Handles memory safely. Huge community support. Millions of developers worldwide. Now the big question, why learn Java in 2025? Still in high demand, used by Amazon, Netflix, Google, and banking systems. Enterprise applications, Java powers banking, insurance, and e-commerce applications. Android development, Java is still the foundations of Android apps. Spring Boot and microservices, backbone of modern backend development. Jobs and salaries. Java developers continue to get high-paying jobs worldwide. Future-proof. With new versions like Java 21 and Java 23, it's modern and evolved. Let me give a small example. When you log into your bank account online, chances are the backend is written in Java. When you order food on Swiggy or Zomato, the backend servers often run Java applications. So Java is not old. It's everywhere around us, silently running the world. So friends, now you know what Java is, how JVM helps Java run anywhere. While learning Java in 2025 is still one of the best decisions for your career. In the next video, we will set up Java JDK and IDE and write your first Java program. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any video from this complete Java course. Thank you so much for watching, and let's begin this Java journey together.